Alright, you guys, we've got a nice little warm up here for the core today. We got people working out here in the gym. I'm out here last minute making sure that we have a good workout for you in the morning. We got 1 minute each of these exercises. I think you know most of them. I'll show you a couple of them. Jumping jacks, hip raises on your back, bridges, alternating Supermans on your stomach, right arm up, left arm, right leg, opposite arm, opposite leg, sumo squats, deep squat, big high knee at the top. You got your instep stretch right here, reach through, reach up. You can do 30 seconds on each side, or you can alternate every couple reps. Marching twist, standing up, right here, twist, 1, 2, right there. Arm circles are next, and then jog, or jog in place. You can go jog around the block for a minute, or down and back 30 seconds, it doesn't matter. The main set is really easy. You have 3 different stations, A, B, and C. You're going to do 5 rounds of A, 5 rounds of B, 5 rounds of C. Might not take you more than 20 or 30 minutes, but if you get done really quick, you can add another round, but it's a burner. If you do good range of motion and really concentrate, you should get plenty out of this. So, A, sit-ups. All the way down, all the way up. Your feet should not be coming off the ground. Toe touches on your back, up, 1, 2. You got 20 of those. Bicycles, elbow to opposite. You got 20 of those. Reverse crunches, shoulder blades off the ground, knees to your chest. You got 20 of those, 5 rounds in a row. Next, you got B, V-sits. Arms straight, legs straight, meet up in the middle, back down. That's 1. You've got 5 of those. Flutter kicks, 20. 1, 2, 3. If you need help, you can put your hands underneath your butt. Russian twist, feet off the ground. 1, 2, 3. Under control. Then cycling twist, very similar. Leg is straight, touch the ground. 1, 2, 3. 20 of those. So you see the format: 5, 20, 20, 20 times 5. C, you got stars. So stars right here, and everything opens up, comes back in tight. Open up like a star. 5 of those. Plank, knee to elbow. That's right here. Plank, knee to elbow. 1, 2, 20 of those. Side to sides on your back. Heels on the ground, hands on the ground. Touch your right heel with your right hand, left heel with your left hand. Keep your shoulders off the ground the whole time. You got 20 of those, and then 20 slow mountain climbers right here. 1, 2. 20 of those. 5 sets, and you're done. Enjoy, guys.